All right, on this video, I'm going to show you how to make your foundation plan. Foundation plan, you do it just like you did the other, the floor plan. We did the floor plan. There's just a few more things that you're going to have to turn off. And I got my floor plan here. Now, because I've already put my floor plan on one sheet, I can't go back over here in the project browser and drag floor plan 1 over and put it on a second sheet because it's going to say it's already been used. So what I have to do is I have to go into my sheets down here, and first thing I want to do, I've already created a new sheet, a new blank sheet, which right now says unnamed. I'm going to double click on that to open it up, and you see I just have my title block. All right, and right above it is the floor plan level 1. Now you have to go to the child file. Here it says, this is your main file, floor plan level 1 right there. But we need to go to the child file, which is right under that. And right click, go to duplicate view, and we're going to duplicate with detailing. All right. Okay, so now I have that second copy right up here in right up under my floor plans now. So now I can go to that blank sheet, click on that, then go up here to my copy. Right here, floor level 1 copy, and drag it over and set it on this sheet. Well, of course, remember I gotta center it first and then click to get it to accept. There we go. Okay, so now we have a floor plan on that sheet, but we're going to make it into a foundation plan. And to do that, okay, we have to activate the window or the viewport. Okay, so you just double click on that line to get into it to where you can actually navigate around and pick individual items. And I'm going to start turning more stuff off. So I'm going to go here to my visibility graphics, click on edit, and I am going to turn off I'm going to turn off for the moment, well, let's see, turn off my casework, my ceilings, detail items, doors. Of course, you may find other things in here to turn off. Entourage, floors. Well, let's keep floors on. Oh, no, because then it'll show up as like hardwood floors. Anyway, generic models, lines, take the lines off, parts, railings. Okay, rooms. And basically anything else you do not want to show up on your foundation plan, which basically is everything except for the foundation itself. Windows, walls, stairs, and there's something that I'm missing. Okay, then I'll go to annotation, and for the moment I'm going to turn off dimensions because I don't want those dimensions. And then of course you just click apply. No, maybe I was supposed to leave floors on. I think I was. Okay, so now here is my foundation plan. And of course, you see a couple things are still on there. I can go back in and find those and turn them off, or I can just come in here and click and hold my shift or my control button down. And I think I want to hide my porch too. And then click on the eyeglasses down here and hide. Now I've hidden everything, and I can now go in and start placing some dimensions. And because I just have a rectangular foundation, I really don't need to do much to it. Just put 2 dimensions on here. Okay. All right, now what I have to do is I do have to go and turn that on or back on. I'll do that here in just a second. Let me put this dimension. Okay, and it's just telling me that they're not viewable. Okay, so get out of my dimension tool. Go over here to visibility graphics. Go back into the annotation categories. Find dimensions again. Turn that back on. Apply. Okay. And it'll show those dimensions that I just put. I don't know why it shows double dimensions, but it does. I think there was something I did. I hit a button twice or something. So there is your foundation plan. Now, other than just this right here, there's other things that go on your foundation plan as well, such as foundation detail. And that's what I'm going to show you on the next video. Oh yeah, I forgot. You got to create an image just like you did the other one. Okay, right now it's unnamed. I'm going to rename it. Now this is structural, so I'm going to change the A to an S. Okay, and unnamed, and I'm going to say foundation. And then I'm going to create an image. Okay, I think I'm in the viewport again. There we go. Outside of the viewport, and then you click on foundations and save to project as image. I think I've already got one in there, so I'm just going to name this one Foundation 2. Make sure your image size is set to 4,000 pixels, and then click OK. All right, stay tuned for the next one.